In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and redo changes in Google Calendar. If you've ever accidentally deleted a task or changed a title and wished you could go back, these built-in shortcuts will save you time and stress. Let's walk through a simple example so you can see exactly how it works. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're looking at the calendar where you want to practice. Click on any day to start creating something new. In the event creation window, choose what you want to add: an event, a task, or an appointment schedule, then give it a clear title. You can add a time, notes, or other details if you like. When you're ready, click Save. You should now see your new item appear on the date you selected. Next, click the item you just created to open its details, and then click Delete. Don't worry, we're doing this on purpose so you can see how quickly you can reverse it. To bring it right back, press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. On a Mac, use Command+Z. The item reappears instantly in the same spot as before. If you made several changes in a row, you can press Ctrl+Z repeatedly to step back through each one. If you ever see a small undo banner after deleting, that button does the same thing, but the keyboard shortcut is faster. Now click the item again to reopen it. Edit the title to something different so we can try redo. After you've changed the title, use Ctrl+Z to undo the edit if you want to go back a step. Then, to move forward again and restore the newer title, press Ctrl+Y. On a Mac, use Shift plus Command+Z for redo. You'll see the title switch back, confirming that redo is working. Just like undo, redo can be pressed multiple times to move forward through your recent changes, as long as you haven't made a brand new edit in between. A couple of quick tips as you practice. Undo and redo apply to your most recent actions in the current session. So, refreshing the page or navigating away can clear that history. Also, make sure the item is selected when you're editing its title so your undo or redo targets the correct change. That's it. You created something, deleted it, brought it back, edited it, and redid the change. With these shortcuts at your fingertips, you can experiment freely in Google Calendar and fix mistakes in seconds.